Hello, and welcome to today's broadcast of Monitor and Manage Your Customers' Power from Anywhere with CyberPower. Brought to you by CyberPower. I'm your host, Katie Bavoso from the Channel Company. In a post-pandemic world, employees in many industries must figure out how to do more with less and do it from anywhere. This has driven major demand for cloud-enabled tools, sending the cloud computing market soaring at a compound annual growth rate of 17.9%. with experts estimating its global value to double by 2027. While this can put a strain on the power managers of the channel, it also presents business opportunities. CyberPower wants to help channel partners grow their businesses through the ability to supply their customers with power solutions they can monitor and manage from anywhere. This is why they launched the next generation of cloud-enabled UPS systems, the new Smart App Sine Wave UPS series. Today, we'll discuss in 3 parts what's new about the series, who could benefit from it, and how to get started as a CyberPower partner for even more benefits. For more on this, I'm joined by CyberPower's Senior Product Manager, Jake Shevik, and Director of Applications Engineering, Tim DeRoshi. Welcome, you two. Great to see you. Let's get started with our first segment today, the challenge in the market. So, Tim, let's start with you. We're seeing much more widely distributed IT infrastructures than we did just 4 years ago, with more people working from home, edge computing, and the growth of smart devices. But being able to provide power solutions that can be monitored from anywhere hasn't always been available. What feedback or challenges do you hear from your partner base about remotely monitoring customer power systems? And how are these challenges impacting their business's growth potential?
It's good to see you again, Katie, and thanks for having us. Great question. Decentralized management is always a challenge, and having cloud-enabled devices for monitoring gives our partner base a solution to address it. Although cloud monitoring can't replace advanced features provided with an S&MP solution, our partners are seeing the same advantages that managed service providers get from monitoring power with PowerPanel Cloud. Managed service providers were early adopters of cloud monitoring due to its ease of setup and reduction of costs. Decentralized companies see these advantages too. Businesses managing remote workers in offices are leveraging easy setup to reduce its IT costs. It's as simple as connecting a cloud port to your network, setting up an account, and using the QR code on the back of the UPS to connect it. You can monitor your power with a mobile or web app from anywhere and anytime.
Thanks so much, Tim. Staying with you for this next question, if channel providers aren't accessing remote management and monitoring tools, how can doing so actually impact their business for the better based on the experiences that your partners have had?
A business that isn't monitoring their power is at risk of downtime and losing productivity. When our partners include solutions with battery backup with monitoring, it creates more opportunities to sell equipment and software licensing that will also improve their uptime and output.
Thanks so much, Tim. That's going to bring us into our next segment. Segment 2, get to know the new Smart App Sine Wave UPS series. And Jake, we're going to get you involved in the conversation now. This is the next phase of this solution and the latest power protection offering from CyberPower, the Smart App Sine Wave UPS systems, which were already extremely popular with your partner base. Can you summarize what this solution is, what applications is it used for, and what's new about this evolution of the Smart App Sine Wave UPS series?
Hi, Katie, and thanks for having me. This series of battery backups is the next generation of our PR family of professional-grade UPS systems. These UPS systems are commonly used in corporate applications such as edge closets, networking, and storage devices, as well as enterprise servers. These new UPS systems have line interactive topology, surge protection, battery backup, and now built-in cloud monitoring.
So Jake, why do partners love the Smart App Sine Wave UPS series? And what is the advantage for both partners new to this solution and those who might have already be integrated with the previous version?
The PR family of products are an affordable, premium line interactive UPS that is loaded with value-added features and is very easy to use right out of the box. The exciting newest feature is the built-in cloud monitoring port. This allows you to monitor your power anytime from anywhere. When used with either an optional or pre-installed RM network card, you can optimize your power by taking specific action received from the cloud.
So Jake, you're saying it's good to go right out of the box, but how easy is it really to set up and start using this solution? And do partners who already have the other version, the older version implemented, do they need to integrate anything new?
The built-in cloud monitoring port is very easy to use. Just plug the cable into the RJ45 port, download the app, and follow the short and simple step-guided process and monitor your power. This is a built-in feature on the new line of Smart App Sine Wave UPS systems, so you would need to have one of the newest versions of the built-in cloud monitoring port. If you have a previous PR version with an SNMP card slot, you can install a cloud card and have access to the same cloud app.
Jake, what other key differentiators are featured in the new Smart App Sine Wave UPS series?
Over the years, we've incorporated customer feedback into all areas of the product. These include power protection features such as battery equalization technology to improve battery life, automatic voltage regulation, which corrects minor power fluctuations without switching to battery power, as well as user-friendly features that make monitoring and managing your power easy. The enhanced chassis design has an easy-to-access toolless front panel and color-coded back panel that make battery changes and installation simple and fast. The innovative LCD panel rotates 90 degrees and tilts for better viewing angles. An optional or pre-installed RM card to actively take control and manage your power remotely.
Jake, all of that sounds amazing. So Tim, can you please share a real-world win a partner experienced with using the Smart App Sine Wave UPS?
Sure. We recently had a customer who was a retailer with over 6,000 locations. They needed to back up and monitor the power for their back offices in each store. They turned to CyberPower because they needed reliable power protection to ensure their store operations functioned without interruption.
Great example. Thank you so much, Tim and Jake. And Jake, you're going to get us started in this next segment, our final segment today, the CyberPower Partner Experience. When is the new Smart App Sine Wave UPS series available, and how quickly can new and existing partners get started with it?
The new Smart App Sine Wave family is available in power ranges from 750 to 3,000 volt amps. This includes standard models, EBM-supported models, and pre-installed RM card models. 15 models are available now, with 10 more models coming by the end of 2024.
And back to you, Tim. CyberPower is a channel-first company, meaning you only do business through the channel. What competitive advantage does this give to your partners?
CyberPower's pricing and service, as well as our application engineering, are targeted to give our partners exactly what they need to fulfill their customers' requirements. They have confidence knowing pricing is always competitive and without channel conflict. Our technical and engineering resources give our partners the support they need to configure their customers' power solution.
Last question today, gentlemen. Where can channel providers go to learn more about the CyberPower portfolio and begin a partnership with you?
You can visit our website to learn more about the new Smart App Sine Wave UPS series at cyberpowersystems.com. And you can also learn more about our award-winning partner program. And to join, check out cyberpowersystems.com/partners.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for your time today. Always a pleasure speaking with the CyberPower team. And thank you at home for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the web address on your screen. For the channel company, I'm Katie Bavoso. Thanks for watching.